Are you a new developer struggling with a frustrating error message in Python? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle the runtime error related to urllib3 and get your code running smoothly. I totally understand how overwhelming it can be when you're just starting out and you encounter errors that seem impossible to fix. This is a common issue many developers face, especially when dealing with package dependencies. Let's dive into the specific situation. One user recently shared their experience. They are using Python 3.4.2 on a Raspberry Pi and encountered a runtime error stating that the request dependency urllib3 must be version greater than or equal to 1.21.1 and less than 1.222. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what does this error mean? It indicates that the version of urllib3 installed on your system is not compatible with the version of the request library you are using. This can happen if the libraries were not updated properly or if there are conflicting versions. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I will share a quick tip on how to manage your Python packages effectively to avoid these issues in the future. To resolve the issue with the urllib3 version, the user should first check the currently installed version of urllib3. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. If the version is not within the required range, the user needs to uninstall the existing version of urllib3. This can be accomplished with another command. Next, the user should install a compatible version of urllib3. They can specify the version directly to ensure it meets the requirements. After installing the correct version, the user should verify the installation again to confirm that the version is now correct. Finally, the user can rerun their original script to check if the issue has been resolved. If everything is set up correctly, the script should work without errors. Fun fact, did you know that the name urllib comes from the term Uniform Resource Locator? It's a reminder of how interconnected our web is. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution provided by a user is to install a specific version of urllib3. They suggest using the command sudo pip install u1.23 to set the version correctly. After that, they recommend reinstalling requests with sudo pip install requests to ensure compatibility. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check your Python package versions and keep them updated. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. By updating urllib3, your code should now run without that pesky error. Remember, keeping your packages updated is key to smooth coding. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.